Samsung Galaxy S21. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is an upcoming smartphone by Samsung. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.80-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 by 3220 pixels at a pixel density of 515 pixels per inch. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is expected to be powered by a 2.4 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 2100 processor that features 3 cores clocked at 2.8 GHz, 4 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 1 cores clocked at 2.9 GHz and come with 12 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is rumored to run Android 11 and is expected to be powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra supports wireless charging, as well as proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is rumored to pack a 108-megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture and a pixel size of 0.8 micron, a second 12-megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 1.4 micron, a third 10-megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 1.22 micron, and a fourth 10-megapixel camera with an f/4.9 aperture and a pixel size of 1.22 micron. It is expected to sport a 40-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with an f/2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micron. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra runs One UI 3.1 based on Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra tipped to be a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that will accept nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is said to measure 165.10 by 75.60 by 8.90 millimeters, height x width x thickness, and weighs 228.00 grams. It features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra are said to include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/nac/yes, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone are rumored to include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass/magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra supports Face Unlock. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.